Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, please, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 226. If we start with this column, we're just missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got the 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 8, 4 here, so 3, 8, and no help here, 3, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8, and the 6 can't be there, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this top row now, we're just missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 2, 5. This 4 and 8 makes this our 3, 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.